Howdy, and welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel and the daily Rover auction review segment. Let's just dive right into it. Again, if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe. We do this every morning, and as well as lots of other content. Feel free to check out the main channel. But today, what we have for you is, I think it's a 1999 or 2000. I can't even see the screen right now. I think it's a 2000 D2 listed at our favorite Southern Rover distributor. I think it's called Rover Guy or whatever. Same one that had the Classic that I did a little while ago. And yeah, another truck that has incredibly high miles, no mechanical description besides a full service, which in the States doesn't mean much. That might mean an oil change. And there's no interior or underbody pictures. It's got a little winch bumper, and it's not lifted. I can't tell. I think it does have sunroofs, but it's got 240,000 miles on a GEMS 4-liter, which would be cool if it was like $1,200. But there's no price listed, but you can make offers over, I think, 7,000. And actually, it's listed on their dealer website, because I went and checked, for around 6,000. So, man, I mean, regardless of if this thing was mechanically perfect and they had the receipts to prove it, it's only a 2-hour truck, then or had a head gasket job recently or something to back up the price, I think someone might be able to stomach it. But that is 250,000 miles. That's not any car over 200,000 miles these days. Not only is it high miles, it's just straight up old. The components are old, they're worn out, and I don't care what type of maintenance schedule you're on, it's just not meant to last that long. And for $7,000, with the prospect of putting another, I don't know, additional $7,000 on if you have motor issues, makes this a tough sell, right? Yeah, Rover Classic. I'm sorry. You know, again, I can appreciate it if you buy and sell these things, and you put them on your dealer website so you're able to drive them around and keep them in inventory. But you know, that's a tough one, right? This is like a $3,500 truck all day. But again, it is in good condition. If it's not rusty, somebody might want the body for an LS swap or something like that. There are options. You know, if it was my truck, I'd probably retail it around $4,500, $5,000. But that's, again, if I've got service records and everything to back it up. So got a little winch bumper. Don't know if that was added when it was purchased or was added by the previous owner. Again, doesn't look lifted, stock tires. I just can't get a real good feel for this truck just because there's no pic. Oh, wait, it doesn't have sunroofs. Okay, that's nifty. So you get a good body. You know, overall, it's not bad. It just needs more information, right? It's a tough sell unless you're completely rolling the dice on it without additional pictures or info. So that's not to say they're not negotiable. Again, I don't want to completely shit on the advertising, but you know, I take everything with a grain of salt, and there's a reason these things sit for a very long time. I mean, that's the thing. This thing's been on the market for years. I think maybe years. They just keep rotating around. But if you're interested in the truck, it's for sale. Again, it's not it's a known entity, so people have seen it. And that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.